Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of fractals with the L-System Generator, the world's simplest math tool for visualizing Lindenmayer systems. Let's explore how you can create intricate patterns in fractals with just a few simple rules. To start, open your web browser and visit www.onlinetools.com/math. This will take you directly to the L-System Generator, completely free, no ads, no distractions, just pure fractal magic. Here are some fascinating examples you can create with this tool. Gosper Curve, a mesmerizing fractal with 4 iterations and a 60-degree angle. Red Dragon Curve, a fire-breathing masterpiece set against a bold red background. Icy Fractal, a snowflake-like pattern in cool, frosty tones. Fractal Tree, a beautiful branching structure using special stack symbols. William McWhirter's Pentadendrite, a complex star-like shape with a 72-degree rotation. Round Star, a non-standard curve that forms both a star and a circle. Island Curve, a pattern resembling scattered islands using skipped symbols. Penrose Tiling, a mesmerizing tessellation of geometric shapes. Coke Curve, a variation of the classic Coke snowflake with an 80-degree angle. More Fractal, a space-filling curve on a compact canvas. Rounded Pinot Curve, a smoother version of the Pinot Fractal. Pinot Curve at 22.5 degrees. Another variation with a more refined, flowing design. Each of these fractals is generated using just a few simple rewrite rules, proving how powerful the L-System can be. Want to share your fractal creation? Just click the link icon and get a direct URL to your generated pattern. Send it to friends or use it in your projects. If you love mathematical and artistic visualizations, check out our last videos on drawing a memento mori calendar and creating a clock. They're packed with creative tools you won't want to miss. Enjoyed this tutorial? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more amazing tool tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.